Hey guys, so this video is just gonna be called how to earn money for free online. And what I'm currently doing now is basically placing an order for my first cash prize on Swagbucks basically. And now I have 35 Swagbucks left in my account. And basically I've placed an order for just for a PayPal card to arrive in my account, to into my PayPal account, so I can actually spend the money. It's only £5 though, and £5 in dollars is like $6.44 basically. And I got that for free using Swagbucks, and it's pretty easy to earn money on this. So all that you literally have to do is you can do various things. You can play games if you want. So I might as well download one of these games. I don't know if it's free though, but it doesn't require purchase. It says you have to reach level 18 to earn a reward, and the reward will pend for 7 days after reaching level 18. LOL. So let's see how this goes. So you can download this game on the App Store apparently, and it will download straight to your phone, called Rise of Kingdoms. And yeah. Okay. I'm not going to show you guys my password for Apple ID. So we can scrap that and go straight back to Swagbucks, yeah. We can scrap that and go straight back to Swagbucks. But that's one of the ways you can earn money on Swagbucks. And as you can see, I've just been rewarded a few Swagbucks. Basically for something that I just did, I think. And another way you can earn Swagbucks is by searching, using their search engine. So just type in search in and see if it rewards you with some Swagbucks. But yeah, often the search engine doesn't really work like that. But as you guys can see, I've already ordered £5 into my PayPal account, and we can verify that with the email. Let's go to primary emails. And basically Swagbucks has confirmed that my order has been verified from the Swagbucks reward store. And basically, in order to spend your money, to spend your Swagbucks which you've earned on the site doing surveys, searching, playing games, or entering swag codes is another cool one. Is just go to the store to redeem your Swagbucks and look at on sale rewards. This is what mine says. And then I spent 800 Swagbucks in order to get that £5. And it doesn't really take too long to earn. I don't think it takes too long to earn Swagbucks if you're just consistent and you know, do the right stuff to earn rewards. I believe you can earn quite a few Swagbucks in no time. I haven't used this website for a while, so I'm not very consistent on it. But if you are consistent on it, you can potentially earn a lot of Swagbucks and get a lot of stuff for free. So yeah, if you guys want to sign up to this site, you can use my link in the description box below, and it would really help me if you would use my link. So I'd really appreciate if you would use my link and sign up for Swagbucks. I've got the app as well. Okay. Only while using app. Enable camera. Yeah. And then basically, yeah, you can redeem your Swagbucks again on the app. Shows you a bunch of stuff, yeah. But yeah, basically, this is how you earn money for free online. Swagbucks is one of the ways that you can use it, and there's a bunch of other ways to make money online. So I will definitely show you how to do that when I find out more stuff that actually works. because a lot of the stuff that people give you on YouTube is stuff that doesn't actually work legitimately, or it's just long, or it's hard, or it's just tedious. So yeah, man, thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be uploading more videos soon. God bless, one love, and peace.